Thank you for arriving on such short notice. This is an important meeting. So, how do we address the allegations surrounding our company?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At this time, Lacker's radiation containment power plant has just had a massive meltdown, and radiation is now leaking everywhere. Please avoid the area until further notice. Stay tuned to local media and news outlets for more information at this time.